To effectively research the latest trends, start by gathering data from diverse sources. Our AI agent allows you to integrate multiple data inputs, including documents, cloud server connections, website URLs, social media hashtags, live data feeds, and more. By consolidating both internal and external data sources into a single knowledge base, you can generate customized insights tailored to your specific needs. Once you have identified the relevant sources, the next step is to add them to the AI agent. Simply click the Add button to insert each data source into the system. This ensures that all your selected inputs are properly integrated and ready for analysis. After adding all the necessary data sources, the final step is to click the Create Agent button. This action will generate your AI agent, which will then process the combined data to provide you with the latest trends and actionable insights. By following these steps, you can efficiently analyze multiple sources in one place and stay updated on emerging trends.